learners in my class, English class, in English conversation practice class. Before this, in my introductory class, I have told you about spoken English, about conversation, in what way we will have to express ourselves in English. आज मैं हिंदी और बंगाली में भी समझाने की कोशिश करूँगा और ये जो इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस इन एन इनफॉर्मल मैनर एज फार एज प्रैक्टिकेबल spoken English is nothing but broken English. Words are but pictures of our thoughts. Speak with a strong foreign accent and speak broken English. My content of this class will be related with these sentences, sentence fragments or words. And one by one I will try to explain before you so that you can be fluent gradually, step by step. Today's content is English conversation practice. English conversation practice must be informal and broken English. Sometimes we think that when we speak, we must have to speak correctly, grammatically correct particularly, but when we speak in our mother tongue, we don't use grammar, but having knowledge about grammar. We speak with others, with our partners in our mother tongue fluently, and at that time we don't think that I am speaking with maintaining grammar. And in this regard, I would like to say you, when you will express yourself, you will have to erase from your mind the fear of English and you will have to gather courage. मतलब ये है, जब आप इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे किसी के साथ तो आपको पहले ये सोचना चाहिए कि हम जैसे हिंदी में बात करते हैं ठीक उसी तरह हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे. हम जब हिंदी में बोलते हैं तब ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि हम ग्रामर मेंटेन करके बात कर रहे हैं. In this way, when you will speak in English with others, then you must have to remember that I am speaking as my own language. Suppose a person came to your door and knocking at the door, he is speaking, "Is there anybody there?" And he heard from the inside, "Yes, coming." That means, yes, I am coming. I am coming, but yes, coming. This is the style of broken English and it is called spoken English. In this regard, George Bernard Shaw, an eminent English dramatist and essayist, once said about this matter, I would like to quote him. I am now going to suppose that you are a foreign student of the English language and that you desire to speak it well enough to be understood when you travel in the British Commonwealth or in America, or when you meet a native of those countries, or obtaining some employment which is open to those only who speak what is called correct English. No foreigner can even stress the syllables and make the voice rise and fall in question and answer, in assertion and denial, in refusal and consent, in inquiry or information exactly as a native does. Therefore, the first thing you have to do is to speak with a strong foreign accent and broken English. Spoken English is nothing but broken English. It means speak with a strong foreign accent and speak broken English. We must have to follow this style. अनौपचारिक रूप से आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ेगा. मतलब टूटी फूटी या अशुद्ध इंग्लिश अगर आप के बातों में इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो ये भी वेल एक्सेप्टेड एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड। आप अगर गैदर करेज गैदर करेंगे मतलब साहस जुटाना है। इंग्लिश में बोलने के लिए आपको पहला चीज ये है कि आप डरेंगे नहीं। विदाउट एनी फियर, विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, you will have to speak fluently and it will be possible for you gradually and step by step. एक ही साथ आपको ये संभव नहीं होगा बोलने के लिए। जैसे कि हिंदी मेरा मातृभाषा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हम कभी डरते नहीं हिंदी में बात करने के समय। ठीक इसी तरह इंग्लिश आपका मातृभाषा नहीं है, लेकिन जब आप इंग्लिश में किसी के साथ बात करेंगे तब आपको डरना नहीं, आपका माइंड से, आपका जहन से डर हटाना चाहिए। यू विल हैव टू इरेज फ्रॉम योर माइंड द फियर ऑफ इंग्लिश एंड डोंट बी अफ्रेड, बी फ्लुएंट एंड बी क्लियर। And in this way, if you carry on your conversation practice, I am sure and certain that once you must be able to speak fluently English as a native. But my dear learners, it will take some time to express before our listeners, before our partners, before our neighbors. Then we must have to take care about pronunciation, because pronunciation play an important role in speaking English. So step by step you will have to advance and you must have to augment and enhance your listening skill. As suppose a good listener can be a good speaker. If you don't listen attentively and if you don't take care about listening, you will not be fluent in speaking. Particularly, words are but pictures of our thoughts. It's not my own words, as you see here. Great poet Dryden has said this sentence: words are but pictures of our thoughts. That means we want to draw picture with our words, and it must be informal. And as far as practicable means, हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे जितना दूर हो सके, जितना दूर संभव है कि टूटा फूटा या टूटी फूटी अशुद्ध इंग्लिश अगर लेकर हम हमारा बातचीत शुरू करें तो एक दिन आपका साहस आ जाएगा और इसी तरह से आप बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे। दैट मीन्स इफ यू गैदर करेज, यस आई मस्ट हैव टू एक्सप्रेस इन इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली and it may be wrong grammatically, it's not a matter, but you will gather courage that I must do it fluently. And it is not possible for you at a time you will be fluent. You will have to go ahead step by step. And in this regard, I will come before you and will try my best to make you understand, and I am sure that you will be understood that it would be possible for you speaking broken English, which is acceptable everywhere in the English speaking countries and in our countries also. But always remember, my dear learners, that about pronunciation you must have to be careful, and if you take care about your pronunciation, it would be possible for you in future to be a good speaker. Today it is enough. For today it is enough, and I will come back again before you with my another lesson, and slowly, gradually, step by step, you must be once fluent and you will be able to speak in English unhesitatingly. That means without any hesitation and fear. Thank you, many thanks, and please, if you like this channel, please press the like button, and if it is possible, if you are interested, if you are satisfied, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.